Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO A96 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 widgets that you can get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first widget that we would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar, but in prior of showing you this widget in particular, let me show how you can access the widget menu in general. So either just tap and hold on any vacant space you have on any of your home screens, or make the shrink and swipe. As you can see, this bottom menu will appear. So all you gotta do is to look for the widgets icon, tap on it, and here we have all the available widgets that are being divided into convenient categories. So as I said, the first widget I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar. So all you gotta do is to look for the Google category, tap and hold, and choose where you want to drop it at. I'll leave it here, for example. In order to move the widgets from one home screen to another, just tap and hold on the desired widget and choose the home screen for it. The second widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the clock widget. So let's go ahead and call up for the widget menu again. Look for the clock category. It is usually right on top. Choose the design that you'd like. I'll go with this clock, for example. And you know what, I'll just go ahead and drop it here as it is by the default. It not only shows the current time, date, but also it shows the general idea what is the weather like now. And the last widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the calendar widget. So let's get back to the widget menu, look for the calendar category, and all that it's left to do is to choose the design that you'd like the most. I'll go with this one, the more compact one. Choose the home screen that I would like to leave it at. I'll create a separate home screen for it. And basically this widget is very useful in cases you are adding any events or any notes to your calendar. So in order to be able to conveniently keep track of anything that is added to the calendar itself, we highly recommend that you add this widget. And that will ultimately mean that in order to monitor what things, events, or notes do you have for today, for example, you will not have to necessarily open up the calendar app itself. You can just look at your home screen and see. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!